So again, in this Venn diagram, the universe are all the dogs. If a dog is not a Pomeranian and not a Collie and not a Beagle, they would still exist in the universe. They would just be out here, like here would be my dog Twix. Twix is a min pin. So individual elements are represented as with just dots, with just points. So Twix is a dog, but Twix is not a Pomeranian, a Collie, or a Beagle. So let's do one last practice here. The last word in our lecture here is complement. The complement of a set is a subset of the universe, U is the universe, that contains all the elements that are not in the set. In other words, it's not. That's our symbol, not. If we had a set P, not P are all the elements in the universe that are not in P. So let's do an example here. Let's say this is the universe of different types of students that come to ECC. All right, so these are going to be all the students. We'll call that S. And you know what? There are full-time students. So all the full-time students would be included in this set. So like let's say if there's a person named Karen and she's a full-time student, she would be in the set of full-time students. She would also be considered a student. And then let's also say now we have our part-time students. So here's our set of the part-time students. And let's say Juan is a part-time student. And then you know there are some high school students that also come to ECC and get some college credit. Those would be our high school students. So let's look at what is everyone who is a full-time student union everyone who is a part-time student. That's everyone who's a full-time student and everyone who is a part-time student. That would not include your high school students. Those who are not high school students, and I'm not including anyone that's not either a full-time, part-time, or a high school student. If you're not a high school student, you are either a full-time student or a part-time student. So the complement of H is F union P. All right, well that's it. Good luck now. Go ahead and start on your homework for preliminary section 1.